Everyone wants to be a beast until it's time to do what beasts do. I am motivated by the fear of being average. It is better to be lonely, lion than a popular sheep. I am the CEO of my life, I hire, fire and promote accordingly. I don't worry about those who talk behind my back, they're behind me for a reason. The question isn't who is going to let me. It's who is going to stop me. I will go anywhere as long as it is forward. Don't come back when you realize that I am rare. I am who I am. I never said you had to like me. Throw me to the wolves and I will return leading the pack. I will win, not immediately but definitely. I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you at all. I would rather die on my feet than live on my knees. Do what they aren't willing to do and you'll get what they will never have. Some people dream of success while I wake up and work for it. I could be so attached and still live you. I want you, I don't need you.